Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this very rare. This is the C250 diesel. So C250 diesel, not the normal 220. It's the best engine you can get in a Mercedes, proper Mercedes engine. It's the lovely CLA. It's got all the AMG Sport. It's got a lot of lovely extras. You've got front park distance control, LED running lights, gloss black 5-spoke alloy wheels, rear park distance control, AMG rear diffuser, the twin exhausts, bodywork is absolutely superb condition. The panoramic opening roof, everyone loves that on one of these. It's a must really. Got the heated seats, electric memory seats, electric windows. Seats are in lovely condition. Auto headlights, paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, push start to start it up. It's done 80,038 miles. We have reverse camera with park distance control. Everything down here as well, different driving modes, sport, comfort, Bluetooth connectivity as well, climate control, air conditioning, USBs, lovely piano wood feature here, passenger electric seats, memory seats and heated seats, tilt and slide panoramic roof. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.